welcome back to the Juice Show, man. I'm happy you came back. My name's Pat, and happy Friday, man. What a glorious day it is, you know, man. 'Cause, guess who's got a date, man, you know? I'm real excited, man, because I met this girl last night, man. Just super fly, man. We was out last night at the Venice Drum Circle, and you know, I'm banging away on the drum, feeling that ganja kick in, man, and all of a sudden the beach parts, my hair splits, and I see this hot Jamaican glory coming over my way, and she starts beating on my drum, and we're beating on each other's drums, and needless to say, I got a date, man. So, anyway, I guess I need that extra caffeine, and what I'm gonna do today is add a green tea bag, man. Green tea is like a natural pheromone for the body, man. But you just put that in there, you add the hot coffee, man, and now you got a green tea sensation. Awesome, man. Peace out and wish me luck, guys, you know, man.